Okay guys, so we finally got this pullback on the S&P that we were talking about. We could see it was resistance, resistance, resistance. We did try to close above briefly, and then we had a massive rejection. Now this is the level, the first level I was talking about that I'd be quite interested at as an area of support. So going to be interesting to see how the markets open today, because we actually tapped this level all the way down here. See, when we come down and tap this blue level shortly after, this is where we flipped long, right? So we sold a lot of our portfolio, a lot of our altcoins, and this is where we bought the dip. And SUI down here was 0.85, Ondo was like 0.65 or something, and then shortly after we saw some really big pushes up in the market. If we look at the other time it tapped, this was down here. So we've got multiple touch points on this blue line, and it should act as an area of support. If it doesn't, there's quite an interesting broadening wedge here. So if we look here to here, you can see clearly we have a broadening wedge happen, and this is my next line of support, and that would be down at this range around the 5716, and this is where I'd expect to bounce. We also have the 50-week creeping up here as well, so a lot of area of support here. I would be surprised if we broke straight through this level. Is it possible? Yes, absolutely. But I would be very, very surprised if we broke through this level, and we have another area of support here as well to get through. But we do have the weekly SMC creeping up here, and this is the level that I'm mainly interested in, even though the blue line here, we did tap off it exactly here, exactly here, exactly here. And if we look at the previous cycle, if we look at the previous cycle, the last time we closed below this, guys, the last time we closed below this, see here we tapped one. This is actually the third time. This was the fourth time, and we broke below. So are we seeing history repeat here? I would be very, very concerned if we broke below this blue line, guys, and closed, because the last time we broke below, it actually signaled the start of a very, very long downtrend. And we do have sell in May, go away coming. So as you know, look, I don't think this market is cheap right now. I think it's expensive. I think a lot of things have pumped, a lot of things have rallied. Like Nvidia is absolutely insane. It's still up around 10x even today in this pullback. Loads of people are in massive profits, guys. If you got into the market late, then you need to be focused on the bear market, but so many people are in profits right now. But yes, as soon as we come down to support levels, I am going to flip slightly bullish. I am going to start looking for long positions. I am going to be looking to buy the dip, just as we did back in August. You know, we took some profits on our shorts and we flipped long, and hey, we made an absolute killing. I have started to take some profits on my shorts, and I am looking for long positions. But I also have a strategy for either outcome, right? If we drop to the next level, then this is where I'd be looking for bigger long positions. But if we close below this blue level on the weekly, yes, I'm going to be slightly concerned for more downtrend. But for now, long support, short resistance, okay, and we are at support. So I'm sticking to the strategy. Not financial advice, guys. Do your own research. Investing in crypto is highly risky. You can lose all your money in crypto. This is just my strategy. This is just what I'm doing. If you want to see what I am trading or what I am longing, the links are in my X. So head over to my Twitter account. You can see here, there it is. Head over there and you can see a link to join us over here, and you can see all of my trades, what I'm doing. That's it for now, guys. Until then, I will catch you in the next one.